In the metals quadrant today, copper is a really interesting story. Copper was down 0.75%, 0.75% on the lows versus yesterday's close. But that's after being up 0.75% versus yesterday's close when it reached the high. We ended up finishing the day with copper down on the day by about 0.5%. But again, the wide range that we've gotten from the highs to the lows was mainly on the late day sell-off as the US-China news kind of made its way through the market. That's what caused the initial copper rally and then the fall as well. Same thing happened in a lot of risk assets. Happened in the equity markets, happened in crude oil, happened in a lot of the base metals. The phase one trade deal again called the rally, or drove the rally, I should say. It was confirmed by both sides today. First confirmed by the Chinese government and then confirmed by President Trump in some tweets that the phase one deal was done. It was going to be agricultural purchases from China, some very vague IP protections for the technology sector, as well as no imposition of the December 15th tariffs that were threatened by the Trump administration, and a slow rollback of some of the existing tariffs, and then a more important thing, I think, more exemptions for certain Chinese companies with the existing tariffs that were going to stay on. So it seemed to be a good deal, but the market rally, copper included, got taken away as the day went on. Now it's interesting because now we have a bit of a technical signal in copper. We have an outside day. That means yesterday's high was superseded, and then yesterday's low was also passed, and we closed down. So we had a multiple day rally, new high, new low, and then we closed below yesterday's close. That is called a key reversal, and those key reversals tend to predict more downside. Doesn't have to happen, but historically that's what technicians look at in an outside range day, as a continuation of that down move. So we'll see if it happens. Next week we're looking at market participants having had a full weekend to look at what this deal really is. We don't have the text of the deal released as I speak to you now, but we're hoping to get it over the weekend, read through it, and we'll see what the price action is like next week.